Share screen. Da, da, da. Making better hacks faster. Bam Bambino. MLH. All right. Hello, everybody. I'm Ryan, and I am still kind of getting ready, so don't mind me. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. I hope you all had a wonderful first workshop. Ba-ba-da-ba. So if you guys were in the first workshop, let me know how you liked it. Invalid invite. I think that's still talking about a different workshop. Okay, so I don't really know how the MLH stream works when there's another stream that's working. Please send a link of the recorded video on the chat. 56. Huh. Okay, well, because of the way that StreamYard works, I'm seeing a lot of comments from the other streams. So let me know in chat if you're here for the Copilot workshop. Otherwise, I'm gonna be very confused moving into this. But yeah, if you're here for the Copilot workshop, feel free to hop on into this link. Go ahead and check in and do all the usual bits. Bam Bambino. Okay. Yeah, I totally got a little caught up on trying to what's it called? Pull up the slides for the Copilot workshop. Ah, I see that everybody that was in the StreamYard is actually leftovers from the other workshop. Okay. Well, I might just start going through the notions just because these are generally recorded. Let's make sure that I actually can have the slide deck open. Share screen. All right, hello. I see everybody starting to trickle on in. Good to see you all here today. Let me know if you were just here for the previous workshop. I saw that there was a lot of people in the previous one, which is really cool to see. If you're here today, you're probably here for the GitHub Copilot workshop. So, if you're here, you can say that you're here and get credit for it by checking into this workshop right here, or checking out the announcements. You know the deal. Anyway, hope your y'all's days are going on pretty well. Actually, you know what? 1 second. I'm going to try to move this to a different browser. We will be back momentarily. Do, 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 do. Okay, and here we go. All right. So I hope you all have gotten past the Twitch ads. Let me know if y'all are. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna get things started. Let me know if I need to slow down in chat. And here are the slides. Let's get started. If you were here for the Making Better Hacks Faster with GitHub Copilot. So if you want access to these slides, you should. Oh, where is it? Making Better Hacks Faster. There it is. Sorry, this is my first stream of the day, so I'm a little getting the energy out. Make sure to check in over here. We're going to get you guys set up on GitHub Copilot, which is a super cool tool for making it easier for you to, you get an AI assistant in your code editor, which is super handy. And it makes you even more productive, which is what you want to have when you're building projects. So, hi, I'm Ryan. If you haven't seen me before on stream, is it just me or is the stream quality like really janky right now? Wow, that is really blown out. Let me see if I can fix that. Pardon the technicals, folks. Okay, is this super blown out too? Okay, so it looks like I'm having some like device driver issues. I'm not sure how to fix that right now, so I'm gonna have to fix that another day. All right, let's get started. What is GitHub Copilot? Why should you use it? This is our agenda for today. We're going to talk about what it is. We're going to talk about how can it get set up, and then we're going to talk about how to actually use it. So GitHub Copilot is this says it on the slides, AI pair programmer that can help you write, debug, and understand code. It does a bunch of things, and it's already done all of the prompt engineering for you. So it's even better than having ChatGPT in a side window or some other LLM, large language model that you might be using. So some of the big advantages of using Copilot is that it makes you a lot faster, and it also helps you onboard into new code bases a lot faster. And so you can turn a whole hackathon and just be like just way more efficient. And so if you want to fact check this, you are more than welcome to read the link, and you can find the research paper link right on the event sign up when you download the slide deck. Or you can also ping me and I'll just like dump it in chat. So for getting set up with GitHub Copilot, you basically just need a text editor, and then you're going to want to attach it there. And so the real question is, what is the best text editor to use? Well, thankfully, GitHub Copilot actually lives anywhere that you can write code. And so even if you don't use any of like those super like major code editors, you will still probably be able to use GitHub Copilot because it exists also in the command line, which makes things super easy. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, we're actually going to be doing everything in Visual Studio Code. Just to make things super easy. And so actually, today we're going to be doing this in GitHub Code Spaces, just because like that is available on like any device as long as you have access to a browser on the internet, and your browser is, I guess, like semi up to date. So technically speaking, if you really wanted to, you could like even program on like a tablet or a phone. The experience might not be super fantastic, but as long as you have a keyboard, like you can get started with that. So I'm going to jump over into a live demo. And so in Code Spaces, if you don't know what Code Spaces is, get a Code Spaces. Let's just see if they have a nice description over here. Basically, it allows you to have VS Code, like a full-fledged like text editor, in GitHub, and it just lives on the browser instead of having to install it on your machine. And the really cool thing about it is that it comes with its own like virtual machine, which means you can basically, oh, pardon me. When does the next session start? Ah, sorry, I didn't see your message. The next session is going to start. Well, I mean, if you're talking about this session, the Copilot session, I guess it already started. If you're talking about the workshop after this, well, it's going to start in about 50-ish minutes. There'll be another ping, and I'll be actually at the next session. Okay, so going on, GitHub Codespace is super cool. It comes with a virtual machine, which means that you can actually run like tasks, like you can run like a Python interpreter in there, or more important to us, um, we can like build and run websites. And so we'll be demonstrating how to do that today. The really nice thing is that GitHub is really generous and they give you a lot of like compute hours for free, which means that we can use like VS Codespaces, which runs on somebody else's machine for a very long time. And I guess like the amount of hours that you get resets every month. And so we can actually take a look at how many hours I still have. If we were to go over here, pop over to Codespaces. So I just went to GitHub settings, and under settings, I just popped over to Codespaces, and this is where all the settings are. Da 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 da. Um, Actually, we should be able to see it under plans and usage. We should tell you how many hours you have left. And so I like to use Codespaces a lot, and I still haven't even like hit that much out of the limit. Especially because like if you just like delete Codespaces regularly, then you can. The next session is hosted here, right? Yes. Are y'all seeing my session? I feel like I started the stream. We're having trouble streaming to Twitch. Okay, 1 second. I've got to reset up the Twitch stream. Okay. Sorry, it looks like there's been some issues with the next stream starting. Are y'all seeing me now? With the Twitch stream. Stream still hasn't started for y'all. Okay. Are you in the stream now? Okay, cool. I see that you're watching on YouTube, which is awesome. I'm still having troubles with the Twitch stream though. That is a real bummer. Okay. Da, 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 da. Sorry, chat. I want to make sure that we try to figure out what's going on here. Yeah. Okay. Let me bug somebody on my team, so that they know that I'm having some issues. Okay, sorry about the technical difficulties, chat. I may have to just restart the whole stream. Still not showing up on Twitch. Okay, good to know. I haven't had this issue before, so pardon the thing. Okay, I'm gonna restart the stream and see if that fixes things. So I will be right back.